Welcome back, viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of nutrition. It's all about how living organisms obtain energy and essential nutrients for their growth and maintenance. Let's explore the different aspects of nutrition together. There are two main types of nutrition: autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic nutrition is when organisms produce their own food from inorganic substances using energy from sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, autotrophs like plants and some bacteria use sunlight and chlorophyll to convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates, which serve as their energy source. Excess carbohydrates are stored as starch for later use. Autotrophs also require other raw materials for their growth, such as water, nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, and magnesium. They absorb water through tiny openings called stomata on their leaves, while nitrogen and other nutrients are obtained from the soil. Now, let's move on to heterotrophic nutrition, which is how organisms obtain their food by consuming other living organisms or their products. This mode of nutrition is commonly seen in animals, fungi, and non-photosynthetic bacteria. Heterotrophs have various strategies for obtaining and utilizing food. They may break down food material outside their bodies and absorb the nutrients, or take in whole material and break it down internally. Some organisms even engage in parasitic nutrition, obtaining nutrients from other organisms without killing them. How do organisms actually obtain their nutrition? Well, autotrophs use simple inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water, while heterotrophs depend on complex substances for survival. Heterotrophs have enzymes, biocatalysts, to break down these complex substances into simpler ones that can be utilized by the body. Let's zoom in on nutrition in human beings. Our digestive system plays a crucial role in processing the food we consume to extract nutrients. It consists of different parts, each specialized for a specific function. As we eat, our teeth crush the food, and saliva secreted by salivary glands helps moisten it and begin the digestion process. Enzymes in saliva, such as salivary amylase, break down complex molecules like starch into simple sugars. The food then moves to the stomach, a large organ that mixes the food with digestive juices released by gastric glands. These juices, including hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and mucus, help break down the food into smaller particles. The walls of the small intestine contain glands that secrete intestinal juice, which further breaks down proteins, complex carbohydrates, and fats. The digested food is then absorbed through finger-like projections called villi, which greatly increase the surface area for absorption. Absorbed nutrients are carried by blood vessels to every cell in the body, where they are utilized for energy, building new tissues, and repairing old ones. Any unabsorbed food material enters the large intestine, where water is absorbed, making the waste more solid. Finally, the waste material is eliminated from the body through the anus, regulated by the anal sphincter. And that's a wrap on nutrition. It's truly incredible how living organisms acquire the energy and nutrients they need for survival. Thanks for joining me today. Stay tuned for more exciting topics. See you next time.